Hey guys, it's Jason over here at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. And today we are showcasing this 2019 Harris Crowne 250. This boat was purchased here brand new and recently traded in. And we are about to board this clean 2019 Harris Crowne 250. The minute you step into this boat, it just hits you with luxury. This is Harris's top of the line boat. And for 2019, it has a lot of awesome features inside of this boat. Come on into the cockpit and I'll show you a couple cool ones I really like. The boat is loaded with a premium stereo by JL Audio. It does have the Mercury Active Trim. This is going to help the boat trim itself, get you the best fuel economy and the best performance. If you're putting this in tight spaces, the boat also has a power tower. And you want to talk about nightlife in these boats. Remove these T-tops, turn on all the blue LED lights, and believe me, you'll be the talk of the lake. This boat really shines. Super comfortable boat, soft, cool vinyl. It's not much manual stuff on this boat. Everything's power on here, from the tower, and even the backrest right here has a power control backrest. Making our way back to the boat. We talk about a lot of power. The ladder is a power ladder, so just by stomping these two buttons here, the ladder will come up and down. And of course, the Harris swim platform. This is an awesome feature to help get in and out of the water, chill, prep for skiing, wakeboarding. And last but not least, the big Merc 350. So for more information on this boat or any other boats that we sell, my name is Jason here at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. Thank you.